Textiles Agrícolas is a proud Mexican company, founded in 1975, that is dedicated to the manufacturing of netting and plastics for the agricultural, residential, and industrial sectors. Over the years, we have diversified our product supply, acquiring European machinery with cutting-edge technology, earning our customers' trust at the national and international level. The quality of our products is recognized by all of our clients, and it is achieved thanks to the standardization of processes of quality and production. It all begins in the raw material warehouse. At this point, the quality department begins to analyze the materials with the assistance of precise equipment and highly qualified personnel. Tests are performed on the resin to determine the temperature profiles and the conditions under which the material must be extruded in order to exploit the physical properties to the maximum. Once the materials are authorized and the information is compiled by our lab, the next step is mixing all of the raw material. During this process, all of the different components are integrated. The mix is transported through the automatic and high-precision equipment into the extrusion area, which is the process where the raw material of polyolefin and state-of-the-art additives in pellet form are transformed into monofilaments by melting the plastic through a cannon with controlled temperatures. When the tapes or monofilaments are obtained, they pass through a stabilization oven that causes the molecular restructuring of the plastic before winding itself into iron tubes, at which point the product is called a coil, ready for the next process. From the extruded material, the quality laboratory performs statistical sampling among the coils by subjecting the product to strength and elongation tests in order to verify that the product meets the quality standards. The next process is carried out by the weaving department, where the corresponding number of monofilaments are wound into a weaving loom according to the required product. Colored monofilaments are also added to distinguish the Textiles Agrícolas brand, and the product is then ready to go through the weaving process, which is done by 4 kinds of looms, all of them of European technology. To guarantee the quality of the material, our laboratory routinely performs tests such as shade percentage tests, verification of weight per square meter, tissue resistance tests, exposure tests and decoloration chambers, ensuring that the product will maintain the same aesthetic appearance with the passage of time. Accelerated aging tests to ensure that over time, the netting will maintain its physical properties. When quality control has determined the batch is in optimal condition, the netting goes to our finished product warehouse, which has a wide range of variety and quantity of available inventory. We have a tailoring department that allows us to produce tailor-made netting for the agricultural sector. Thanks to our efficiency in processes and skilled labor, we have the capacity to cover large volumes of custom-made material in a short period of time. Some applications from our manufacturing lines are pest control netting made with high-density yarns for the isolation of crop areas, preventing the entry of tiny disease-carrying organisms. Highly reinforced netting to protect crops from the damage caused by hail impact. Temperature control netting that helps to reduce excessive light, thus facilitating crop development. Netting to control the passage of birds to prevent damage to the fruit. Ground cover netting designed to prevent the growth and spread of weeds or undesirable plants that deprive crops of nutrients. Residential shade netting used to provide protection from the sun's rays. Textiles Agrícolas has its own fleet and the necessary infrastructure to produce and distribute a large scale. Committed to satisfying market needs and to minimize transportation costs for our valued customers, we have distribution centers located in Baja California, Chihuahua, Nuevo León, Jalisco, Michoacán, Guanajuato, and Yucatán. Furthermore, we ship from our centers to all of Mexico. For our customers abroad, we have the support of the most recognized national customs agencies, as well as partnerships with select international shipping companies to make shipments to any part of the world in short and reliable times. Always looking for the greatest benefit for the customer in terms of the time it takes to release goods in the country of destination. This is in order to respond quickly to any of the needs of our customers, to whom we owe and serve with the premise of always achieving the highest standards of quality, to offer the best price, and to provide an unimprovable service. We encourage and live teamwork on a daily basis, as well as respect, honesty, and continuous improvement, because these values have helped us grow and consolidate our position in the market where we belong. Textiles Agrícolas, 47 years offering maximum quality at the best price.